In the world of Instagram and Twitter, we have lost the real emotional connection. Well, you disagree with me. Well, hold up. Let me design a situation for you. You are lying on your bed facing the roof, scrolling Facebook, seeing your friends enjoying a trip to Goa, and you feel sad and alone. You need company, but you can't have any. Well, wait. Social robots are here on your service. Talk to them like a friend or take their help in creating a vegetable garden. They're happy to help and listen to you. And to all those who are there whose parents don't allow them to get a pet dog, social robots can be one for you too. Well, certainly social robots will be around us all the time shortly. Doesn't it mean we should have some knowledge about these wonders? Well, worry not. Edapt is here at your rescue. Let's learn how they are already sprinkling magic across the globe and what the future holds for them.